In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Google Classroom theme. This is a simple yet effective way to personalize your virtual classroom space and can help make your online teaching environment more inviting and engaging for your students. Let's go through these steps together. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and type in classroom.google.com. Once there, sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. This is where all the magic begins, as accessing your Google Classroom account is the first step toward making any changes to your classroom theme. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard that displays all your classes. Next, click on the specific class for which you want to change the theme. This will take you to the classroom's homepage. Here you'll notice the banner at the top of the page. This is the section where the theme is displayed prominently, setting the tone for the entire class. Once you are on the class homepage, hover your mouse over the banner at the top. You should see an option to customize this area, which might say customize or select theme depending on your current settings. Go ahead and click on that option. This will bring up a selection of themes to choose from. In the theme selection menu, you'll find a variety of options, ranging from different color schemes to interesting images. The themes are designed to fit various subjects or moods and can visually enhance your classroom space. Browse through these options to find one that best reflects the ambiance you want to create for your class. Choosing the right theme can provide an inviting atmosphere and boost enthusiasm among your students. Once you've found a theme that catches your eye, click on it to select it. After making your choice, look for a button typically labeled Select Class Theme. Click on this button and voila. Your Google Classroom theme will be updated to the new look you've chosen. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Google Classroom theme. It's impressive how such a simple change can refresh your classroom environment. Remember, if you ever wish to change the theme again, you can always revisit these steps and try out different options until you find the perfect one. Personalizing your classroom settings can be a fun way to engage with your students and express creativity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly themed Google Classroom.